Hey guys, today we're diving into something that's going to revolutionize your world. We're talking about seizing opportunity, embracing change, and skyrocketing to success. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about social media in 2024. Guys, if you're not on this train, you're missing out. Social media isn't just about funny videos or memes, it's about growing your business, your brand, and even yourself. Start today. Create a profile on one major platform. Share your story, your business, or your passion. Remember, it's about connecting, so engage with others genuinely. You got a voice, I'll let the world hear it. Attention is your number one asset. Think about it. Where people's eyes go, opportunities follow. So you want to make sure they're looking at you, right? Be consistent with your content. Share something daily. Could be a tip, a motivational quote, or just a peek into your life. Be real and relatable. Authenticity is your magnet, is what draws people to you. Moving on to my third point, entrepreneurship. It's not just a buzzword, it's a lifestyle. And let me tell you, man, it's not all smooth, can be tough, lonely, and it tests your spirit. But that's where the growth happens. So write down your business dream, no matter how big or small. Then take one small step towards it every day. It could be researching, learning a new skill, or even just networking. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step. Point four, let's talk about content creation. This is your ticket to be enough. The game has changed. Now it's all about letting your creativity flow, finding your craft. Create content that speaks to you and will resonate with others. Start a blog, a vlog, or even just post regularly on social media. The key, be consistent and genuine. Your vibe attracts your tribe, as they say. And finally, fifth point, it's all about life and career wisdom. It's about finding happiness in what you do, being grateful for where you come from, and staying true to who you are. Every morning, take a moment to think about what you're grateful for. It could be your family, health, or even a new opportunity. Always, always stay true to yourself. Your uniqueness, that's your super. So there you have it, my guys. 5 powerful points to transform your life. Remember, you got the strength, the talent, and the power to make a difference in your life and the lives of others. Start today. Keep pushing and never forget you're the best. Till next time, keep climbing that ladder to success and let's make those dreams a reality. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more power pack motivation and tips to take your life to the next level. Leave a comment below with your action step. I want to hear your success stories. Stay strong, stay motivated, and let's crush these goals together. Have a great day.